stay healthy and grow, we have to consume the right foods in the right proportions. Plants, too, require essential nutrients to grow. They get these nutrients from the soil they grow in. But where does the soil get these nutrients from? Let's find out. Plants require a variety of nutrients to grow in a healthy way. The nutrients required in large quantities are called macronutrients, while those required in smaller quantities are called micronutrients. Most of these nutrients are naturally present in soil. After these nutrients are used by plants, they are naturally renewed by soil organisms. Here is how it happens. Soil organisms break down plant and animal waste into simpler substances. This decomposed matter, which is rich in nutrients, mixes with the soil, thus returning essential nutrients to the soil. However, when farmers repeatedly grow the same crops in a field, the natural nutrients get used up faster than they can be renewed. So, farmers add additional nutrients in the form of natural and chemical fertilizers. Fertilizers contain essential nutrients for plant growth. Compost manure is one type of natural fertilizer. Compost is decomposed animal and plant waste. Wastes from the garden, fields, the kitchen, and even animal wastes are dumped in a pit. The waste is kept moist by watering it at regular intervals. Over a period of time, soil organisms and bacteria break down this waste matter into a black, nutrient-rich substance called compost manure. The manure is mixed with the soil to replenish the soil's nutrient content. Compost is also rich in fiber. Fiber increases the water-holding capacity of soil, thus preventing water loss. It also makes the soil porous and well aerated. Vermicomposting is another composting method. In this method, redworms are used to decompose waste. Do you know of any other ways of replenishing the soil's nutrients? Crop rotation also helps in returning essential nutrients to the soil. In this method, different plants are grown in a planned succession. Crops like wheat use a lot of nitrogen from the soil. So after the harvest of a wheat crop, farmers grow leguminous crops such as peas or beans. A friendly bacterium of a genus called Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of these plants. Rhizobium converts the nitrogen present in air into soluble nitrogen compounds. These compounds dissolve in water and enter the soil, making it rich in nitrogen once again. Thus, leguminous plants act as natural fertilizers. Natural fertilizers cannot always provide plants with all the nutrients they need. So farmers use artificial or chemical fertilizers made in factories. These fertilizers are rich in specific plant nutrients. Although chemical fertilizers provide plants with essential nutrients, using them in excess can be harmful. Can you list some of the ill effects of the excessive use of chemical fertilizer? Adding too much chemical fertilizer can reduce the soil's water-holding capacity. Fertilizers destroy friendly soil organisms, thus preventing the natural production of soil nutrients. Excess fertilizers sometimes mix with water and flow into nearby water bodies, polluting them. Hence, it is important to use artificial fertilizers sparingly. Take a look at the differences between natural and artificial fertilizers.